So we have a special guest today, Chris Andrioli. He was actually my boss when I started in the car business. So 20 years ago, I found a job on Craigslist at about, I think we were $7.50 an hour back then, plus commissions. And he was the owner of the company at the time. So he's known me since I was 20, going on 23. Very young guy, sitting in a little cubicle. How big was my cubicle?
Too big, because you're skinny a little bit.
It was actually a tiny little cubicle, and we had paper leads to call off of. So there was a box full of paper leads that had boogers and mustard and ketchup and notes and all kinds of other stuff, and we had to go grab a handful of paper leads, put them on our desk, and that was what we cold called for the day. Didn't have computers on our desk back then. There was a centralized computer that we all used, so Chris was running that company back then.
He tells a kind of a little bit off story. First of all, we were the earliest stage technology company. We weren't in the car business. We were in the technology business, bringing technology to car dealers. Back then, calling a car dealership on the phone and getting a GM to answer the call was a monumental task. Number two, if you didn't show up at your desk at 8 o'clock, the next day by 8:15, somebody else took your desk. What is a different work then? The last thing he leaves off when he talks about $8 an hour, he doesn't talk about how quickly he got to $25,000 a month. He never talks about that. Or the free Rolexes. I know he gave him at least one or two.
One or two.
And the cars and all the stuff. So he leaves a few details out of the story. I don't know why. Maybe he wants to make himself look better and me look worse. I don't know.
We're going to start with cost per car sold. On Friday, the lowest cost per car sold is Amber at 163 per car sold. 163 per car sold. Good job.
Thank you.
Don't spend it all in one place. Second place, we've got Brandon squeezing in at by the hair of his chin there. 445 per car sold.
And he's out too.
He's out?
Yeah.
Can you make sure he gets this? Team, cost per car sold. We got team sold out. Brandon got second place. He gets 25. All right. Now we're gonna go to we got teams, cost per car sold. We got team good vibes, 445. Chrissy, make sure Chrissy gets this. Aaron.
Sorry.
You're the keeper of cash today.
Thank you.
There's just a small fee attached to it for right?
Average calls per new lead. We've got Matt winning that.
Was this day 6 in a row or something like that?
Thank you.
And that was 4.17 calls per new lead. What, you have no new leads, or what was the deal?
Just a lot of phone calls.
You made them yourself?
No, actually, I only made 5.
You only made 5?
I did, only 5. They were confirmed appointments too.
And then, hold on. Yeah, okay. So second place, we've got Nico. And then for the teams, we only have one that qualifier this today, and that's Team Alpha. So $8 for Team Alpha. Aaron. So everyone needs to see Aaron if you got cash. Aaron, the forms are right here. Luis, Chrissy, Aaron has your money, and Brandon. So it's a new week. Who's ready to go this week?
I know.
Who's going to win today?
Hey.
You're winning today? You guys got it locked down?
Yeah.
Got it locked down? So everyone's going to qualify tomorrow? I shouldn't have any disqualified people in here? No? All right. Let's rock roll. Let's do some car sold, guys.